I wanted to pray for Mozambique over floods suppressing the capital city. But God said, maybe Moses, you don't have this map. Of all this open land, they built a capital city in an area where they will conflict with other borders of people. So he's saying, he is adding that capital city and that land near to an ocean. Huh. Who shall know the meaning? The ocean is going to cover the capital city of Mozambique. And you appear as if you don't have a capital city, and we shall declare you one nation with South Africa, period. Meaning, there is no war in uniting you back to your original motherland. This is not good. It is a sign that you are not listening to the voice of God. It is not good. I thought you are good people, but this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Father, we are still your children. A reason we look at every word you speak. When he told Ezekiel that I'm visiting you, and in 3 days you'll be free, he thought it is just a visit, and asked for a sign. Oh, he said, I'll take your shadow 10 more degrees. But what was the meaning of the shadow? To cover his legacy not to exist over the land again. So prophetic words are danger to those who think they are good to them. 2 Kings 19:34. So these are not good words. When you see God speaking in a language you don't understand, better ask him, what does degrees mean? If he says a decimal, know that the whole city is gone. So, may God reduce to a decimal, not a degree, in this revival of waters acting as war weapons for the new generation. These are weapons of war of God. Man has fought wars with guns. It is no longer relevant now.